And welcome back, everybody. Dad Style Cooking here. Today, we're going to make some baked salmon with herb butter and garlic. And we're going to throw some lemon on there as well. Here's your ingredients. Go ahead and get them ready, and we'll get cooking. First, let's start with our garlic. We'll peel it, give it a nice rough chop. Next, we'll grab our lemon. I like to chop the ends off. Give it a nice thin slice. We're probably going to need 6 or 7 slices for this salmon. Next, grab your foil, get it flattened out. Then we're going to take some butter. Just rub that butter all on the foil. Give it a nice coating. Plenty of room to lay the salmon on. And then more butter right on top of the salmon. Just a nice thin coating on top. It's going to help keep it moist. Then we'll take our garlic, sprinkle it right on top. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then lemon slices. Looks like 6 will do it here. We'll add some cloves and garlic, just so we can have a little roasted garlic. And then our herb butter, right out of the freezer. We'll just shave off a little bit here. And next, we'll add our butter right on top of our salmon. Be generous. More butter, the juicier it'll be. A little bit of oil on top. Next, we're going to grab our foil on both sides, fold it over in the top, twist the 2 ends, and it will be ready for the oven. We're going to put it in the oven, preheated at 375. And we're going to go about 22 to 25 minutes. It was a thick piece of salmon, so. This is 25 minutes later. Cooked all the way through. Very nice and juicy. All the herbs spread out, worked its way in. There we go. Enjoy.